Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access on Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. First step, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. On left menu pane, click on System. Now scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will find Network and Internet and click on Run on Network and Internet. No problem found here. You are connected to the Internet. Close Troubleshooter and close Settings. Now second step, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset. Here you will find Reset Now. Click on Reset Now and a notification window will be open. For confirmation, click on Yes. And another notification, you are about to be signed out. The computer will be shut down within 5 minutes. Click on Close and then close Settings. Then you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu and then click on Power icon. Then click on Restart. Computer is restarting. Now the third step, click on Search. In Search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. In Command Prompt, type netsh winsock reset and it will reset network catalog and successfully reset winsock catalog. Now the next command, netsh int IP reset. It will reset the IP configuration of my network adapter. The next command, ipconfig/release. It will release all IP addresses from network adapter. Then type ipconfig renew. It will renew IP address configuration from the DHCP server and IP address renewed from DHCP server. And next command, ipconfig flush DNS, flushed the DNS resolver cache and successfully done. Now close command prompt. Now fourth step, click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, expand network adapter, select your network adapter and right click on it, click on Update Driver and click Search automatically for drivers and the updated driver has been installed. Now close Device Manager. Now fifth and last step, go to Search. In Search type Control Panel, click on Control Panel. In View By, select Category and then click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on your network adapter and click on Properties. Select IP version 4 and click on Properties. Here, obtain IP address, subnet mask and default gateway automatically, but use DNS server IP address manually. Select the second option. And the preferred DNS server should be Google public DNS server IP address 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS server you can use Cloudflare IP address 1.1.1.1. Then click on OK. Now click on Close. Now close Network Connection Wizard and Control Panel Wizard also. Hope these fixes will solve your issue and you will get internet connection successfully.